Ooh, hey, we just had a bump. That's a nice feeling. There we go, there's a fish. Hey. Not a very big fish by the feel of it, but it is a fish. Hey. Oh, that's a bit exciting. Come here, my little friend. Awesome. So g'day folks, welcome to another PTP Fishing, and I've got a few apologies to make, or a couple of explanations. Sorry for the lack of content in recent weeks. Long story cut short, basically house got broken into, thieves found keys, stole 2 of our cars, which means I don't have the ability to get up and about and go fishing as often as I'd like to. And the fishing's been pretty tough. The one time I did get out was with one of my subscribers, Jake, and we came to Enoggera, and we came to exactly this spot, to where I've caught this fish here. So stoked to have caught that fish. We did it tough that day as well. I only had maybe 3 bites, and they all came in the location I'm at now. So I'm in my happy place, I'm on the water. Hopefully things chill out. The whole stolen vehicle thing sorts itself out. But I'm fishing, I've caught a fish. Is there a better feeling than that? Well, there most probably is, but at the moment this feels pretty good. Welcome to another PTP Fishing. I hope you enjoy the video. There you go, 25 centimetres of happy, healthy Enoggera bass. You go in there. Okay, monkey's off the back. There we go, that's a better bite. Wow, I pretty much zoned out. It was funny, I was just thinking to myself, Enoggera is a bit of a, this one, having a go, this guy. Enoggera is a bit of a funny old waterway in that you can, the fish seem to be in zones. If you don't find the zone, honest to God, you would think that there was no fish in here whatsoever. But if you find the zones and where they are, you'd think fishing's easy. The way this guy hit, wowee, absolutely thumped it. So obviously I've found the zone. It's just a matter of getting a lure swimming in front of their nose. This guy certainly wanted it. He walloped it. I actually changed the angle that I was fishing because I was fishing right hard against the shore. I felt that the fish might be sitting out a little wider. And that is a thumping fish for Enoggera. Thumping fish. There we go, that's what we came here for. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Hopefully I can get the right light on him. That's definitely, I'd say 33, 34 centimetres of lovely Enoggera bass. V-blade, cracking lures. Inline singles protect the fish, protect me, and then you get that lovely hook up, you know, straight through in behind the jaw. Unlikely to come off. Couldn't be happier. That's what I mean by that inline single. If you watch the bits you haven't seen yet, number 9 video, you'll see how I fit these and my recommendations re hooks. But that's why you want them. They tend to go in just in behind the jaw there, find home and don't come out. Fantastic, fantastic hookup rate. As I said in that video, honestly believe that they're almost better than trebles as far as staying in the fish. It is truly a beautiful fish, 35 centimetres. Really good condition. Glad he came aboard. Very, very happy angler here. Pop him in there. See if I can get a couple more. Just before I head back fishing, just want to show you, so that's the last colour of the V-blades that I hadn't caught a fish on. So it's sort of a greeny, very natural bait fish sort of colour. Very, very happy. That's got a couple of fish now. So pretty much every single colour that I've bought in the V-blades has worked. I obviously have a few of my favourites, which you would have seen a couple in that bits you haven't seen yet, it's number 9 video. Put a little link up here with that, but there you go. Every single V-blade colour now has caught me some fish. Oh, hang on, that was a bite. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. There's a couple of bites along here now. Now that was completely unexpected. That was just a wishful thinking cast, that cast. Unbelievable. That was just, I don't know why I threw over there. It was just one of those things. I said, I'd never do it. Why not just do it? Oh. That's just super cool. If you ever want to get a fish, when you're talking, I always talk about middle of nowhere casts. That was a middle of nowhere cast. And a nice fish too on top of it. Look at that. How healthy is that fish? Woo! Haven't stopped smiling since I hooked this fish. I honestly don't know why I cast across my little bay here. For whatever reason, I like the look of what was on the other side, and this guy pretty much hooked up halfway back. So after a couple of near misses, super cool to get that. 34 centimetres. See ya. Today's turning out a little better than I expected it to. Very nice. It's funny, sometimes you wonder as an angler what goes through your head when you just make that random cast. Completely the opposite of anything you're doing. Anything you're doing. And then you get a fish. What makes you do it? What makes you think, rather than keep casting on the bank that you're casting on, that you throw one to the other bank? Is it a spidey sense? Or a fishy sense? No idea. No idea. All I know is I'm glad I did it. What do they say in the movie? The little tingly thing. Spider tingle, the fishy tingle. Doesn't work all the time. Or it just happens. Isn't that what he says? Things you think of when you're fishing. So that's it for this PTP fishing. Short and sharp. I have to admit, it's just been nice to be on the water. It's been nice to have a little bit of a break from all the stuff that's going on over the last 2 or 3 weeks. I guess that's the beauty of fishing, isn't it? It gives you a bit of a time to switch off, and it's certainly something I enjoy. The one thing I have neglected to mention in this video is Monday a week ago, BVA, or the Brisbane Valley Anglers, put another stocking of bass into the waterway. Money raised by myself and a few others just before Christmas, so about 18 months time we should have, you know, another size run or another group of fish that'll be well and truly be catchable for us. Today's been interesting, you know, not a lot of opportunities, but today was never really about catching lots and lots of fish. It would have been nice if they did jump on board, but today was more about me chilling out. You know, 3 fish, a couple of other opportunities was well worth the effort anyway. So hope you're enjoying the videos. Again, sorry that there's been fewer ones in recent times. As soon as life gets back to normal and we all have vehicles again at home, hopefully that'll change. Anyway, if you haven't already, if you've liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't as well, subscribe to the channel. Hoping to grow it, do bigger and better things. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time from PTP Fishing. See ya.